What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this week's video we're actually seeing a condo here in Ajijic village. We're only a block away from the malecon here on Lake Chapala and about a block away from the Plaza. It's a really great location, listed for 165,000 US dollars. This cute little one bedroom condo is worth checking out. Come with me guys.
The little condo is situated right at the back. There are 6 condos here. It's on a second level, built in 2004. The construction is 64 square meters. Let's go in and check it out. So as we walk in, we've got these beautiful murals that take us all the way around to the back of the property where we're going to find the condo for sale. A very pretty entrance. As I mentioned, there are 6 condos here. So come on in guys. As we walk into this open plan concept, dining, living, to the kitchen. For the size of the condo, the kitchen actually is quite big. I really like this handmade copper table. Just to let you know guys, there is a furniture package to this property. It's a really cute little condo. I mean, walking in here, the way it's been furnished, the finishes, everything works really nicely. I mean, you even have some crown molding. And if we come out here, we have a little wraparound terrace. Super cute. Nice little area to come and have a coffee in the morning. Coming back in, I like that they've kept all the Mexican tile in this bathroom. It's really nicely done. A walk-in shower. So this being the bedroom, it's actually a really good size for the overall size of a condo. You've got plenty of built-in storage here. As for usual guys, I'll leave all the information of the condo in the description.
So there we have it guys. Thank you for coming to check out this cute little condo for sale for 165,000 US dollars here in the heart of Ajijic. If you want more information about this, I'll put it down in the description of the video. And remember to subscribe, hit that notification button and give the video a thumbs up. So, see you in the next video guys. Take care of yourselves. Hasta luego amigos.